Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0369, relates to an intermittent interruption in the circuit of the Camshaft Position, CMP Sensor B, specifically for the Honda Accord models manufactured between 2012 and 2017. This error suggests potential problems with the CMP sensor, which plays a crucial role in monitoring the camshaft's position. The function of the CMP Sensor B is to detect the top dead center of each cylinder, essential for accurate fuel injection timing. If the sensor fails to provide consistent pulsing signals to the powertrain control module, PCM, it can lead to performance issues. The PCM uses these signals to adjust fuel delivery and ignition timing, vital for optimal engine operation. When this malfunction occurs, the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, is illuminated, indicating that the vehicle requires immediate attention. Preventive maintenance is crucial in avoiding issues related to the Camshaft Position Sensor B and DTC P0369. Regular inspections of the CMP sensor and its wiring should be part of routine vehicle maintenance. This proactive approach helps identify any wear or damage before it results in a malfunction. Additionally, staying current with vehicle software updates from the manufacturer can help prevent electronic conflicts that could lead to erroneous DTCs, including P0369. Regular maintenance checks on the PCM and related components contribute significantly to the durability of the vehicle's engine management system, ultimately minimizing the risk of similar issues arising. In summary, DTC P0369 indicates a significant issue with the Camshaft Position Sensor B circuit, often resulting in symptoms that affect engine performance. A clear understanding of the sensor's operation, coupled with a structured troubleshooting approach, is essential for accurate diagnosis and repair. Each step, from confirming the DTC to testing the sensor and verifying the PCM's condition, plays a critical role in resolving the underlying issues. Moreover, implementing regular inspections and software updates can greatly enhance the longevity of the vehicle's components. By adhering to these guidelines, you can ensure optimal performance and reliability of your Honda Accord, minimizing the likelihood of encountering the same DTC in the future. The Camshaft Position Sensor B, essential for engine management, comprises a rotor and a semiconductor. Positioned near the camshaft, it detects changes in the rotor's magnetic field as it rotates. This information is vital, as the sensor converts magnetic flux variations into pulsing signals transmitted to the powertrain control module, PCM. The PCM utilizes these signals to determine the top dead center of the engine cylinders, which directly influences the timing for fuel injection. If these signals are abnormal, indicating possible electrical noise or sensor failure, the PCM identifies a malfunction and stores DTC P0369 in its memory. This highlights how critical this component is for maintaining the engine's performance and efficiency. Several potential causes may lead to the triggering of DTC P0369. One possibility is that electrical noise has interfered with the CMP Sensor B's signal. This noise could originate from other electrical components, causing intermittent faults. Another cause could stem from a physical defect, such as a chipped rotor in the CMP Sensor B, which would prevent it from accurately detecting position changes. Alternatively, the CMP Sensor B itself might have failed entirely, rendering it unable to send valid signals to the PCM. Lastly, internal circuit issues within the PCM could lead to misinterpretation of the signals received from the CMP sensor. Each of these scenarios warrants a methodical approach to identify and rectify the malfunction. When DTC P0369 is present, several symptoms may manifest, indicating the underlying issue with the Camshaft Position Sensor B. The most immediate sign is the illumination of the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, which alerts the driver that there's a problem that needs addressing. Additionally, the vehicle may exhibit engine misfires, which occur when fuel delivery is not synchronized with the engine's operations, leading to stuttered engine performance. Drivers might also experience poor acceleration as the PCM struggles to manage fuel injection timing effectively. These symptoms not only affect the drivability of the vehicle, but can potentially lead to further engine complications if left unresolved. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0369 is to confirm that the code is indeed present in the system. This is accomplished by utilizing an onboard Diagnostics OBD-II scanner to read the diagnostic codes stored in the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. By accessing the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system, you can determine whether P0369 is logged as a confirmed or pending code. Confirming the presence helps distinguish between intermittent and consistent issues, guiding the subsequent diagnostic steps. Additionally, ensure that there are no other active DTCs present, as certain codes may interfere with the monitoring of P0369. This initial step serves as the foundation for the rest of the diagnostic process. The second troubleshooting step involves a thorough inspection of the Camshaft Position Sensor B and its associated wiring connections. Begin by visually examining the CMP sensor for any obvious signs of damage or wear, such as cracked casings or frayed wires. Next, focus on the electrical connections leading to the sensor, ensuring that there are no loose or corroded contacts that could contribute to signal interruption. It's critical to verify the integrity of these connections, as a faulty link can result in erroneous readings being sent to the PCM. If any damage is detected during this inspection, it's vital to repair or replace the affected components to restore proper function. In the third troubleshooting step, you need to test the operation of the Camshaft Position Sensor B using a multimeter. This tool allows you to measure the output voltage and resistance of the sensor while the engine is running. To conduct the test, connect the multimeter leads to the CMP sensor terminals and monitor the readings during engine operation. The expected values should correspond to specifications outlined in the vehicle repair manual. Any deviations in these readings can indicate the failure of the CMP sensor, which would need to be replaced. Testing the sensor's output is a critical step in diagnosing whether the problem lies with the sensor itself or elsewhere in the engine management system. The fourth troubleshooting step involves checking the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, for any software updates or internal faults. First, determine whether the PCM firmware is up to date by consulting the manufacturer's technical service bulletins. If updates are available, perform them, as they may resolve known bugs or performance issues related to the CMP Sensor B. Next, if the software is current, conduct a thorough inspection of the PCM to confirm its internal functioning is intact. A malfunctioning PCM may misinterpret the signals from the CMP sensor, causing DTC P0369 to trigger incorrectly. Ensuring the PCM is working properly is fundamental to addressing the underlying cause of the DTC. After completing all necessary repairs for DTC P0369, it is essential to verify the success of your efforts. Start by clearing the DTC from the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, using the OBD-II scanner. This action removes the error code from the system and resets the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL. Following this, take the vehicle for a test drive to ensure that the issue does not reoccur. Monitor the MIL and any potential symptoms that might indicate the original problem persists. If the DTC resurfaces after passing through multiple drive cycles, it may indicate that further diagnosis or repair work is required. Successfully confirming that the MIL remains off and no new codes appear signifies that the issue has been effectively resolved. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!